Sekar, Raju Tolani, Ajay Kare. They have won the maximum number of times of this FNCC. They have won maximum number of times this FNCC duplicate event. Duplicate event runners up Kotluri Sudhakar Garu, Bandyopadhyay, A.K. Sinha, A. Bhattacharya, and Prashant. Third, fourth, third one. Winners, Wajid Ali Mohan Rao Garu, Wajid Ali Garu.